Life is inherently risk. There is only one big risk you should avoid at all cost, and that is the risk of doing nothing. If there's a single lesson that life teaches, it's that wishing does not make it so. I made a resolve then that I was going to amount to something if I could, and no hours, nor amount of labor, nor amount of money would deter me from giving the best that there was in me. Life is available only in the present. That is why we should walk in such a way that every step can bring us to the here and the now. Always go with your passion. Never ask yourself if it's realistic or not. All the lessons are in nature. You look at the way rocks are formed, the wind and the water hitting them, shaping them, making them what they are. Things take time, you know. My greatest life lesson has been that life can change in a second. This is why it's important to always live your best possible life and to do what you can for others. We become what we think about most of the time. God has His plans and His reasons. Sometimes we are supposed to go through things so that we learn lesson. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. In the long run, we shape our lives and we shape ourselves. The process never ends until we die, and the choices we make are ultimately our own responsibility. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. I truly believe that everything that we do and everyone that we meet is put in our path for a purpose. There are no accidents. We are all teachers. If we are willing to pay attention to the lesson we learn, trust our positive instinct, and not be afraid to take risks or wait for some miracle to come knocking at the door. A man's most urgent necessity is neither happiness nor money. It is wisdom, for it is wisdom that he will need to navigate the turbulent water of his day-to-day existence without succumbing to the ocean of turmoil or to the empty road of prescription. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. Learning lesson is little like reaching maturity. You are not suddenly more happy, wealthy or powerful, but you understand the world around you better and you are at peace with yourself. Learning life's lesson is not about making your life perfect, but about seeing life as it was meant to be. The universe is one great kindergarten for man. Everything that exists has brought with its own peculiar lesson.